Hey guys, Ben from Ben's Garage here, and today I got a Toro 2500 CCR 5 horsepower 2-cycle snowblower with a single drive, and it has key ignition. And so far, the only problem with this snowblower is that, for one, it does not run, and two, the handle is broken off. All the mounts and the plastics are broken off, so that's the only issue here. There's a lot of snow on the bottom. I have the carburetor covered with a bag, so we're going to warm it up, and we're going to see if we can get this thing running. So far what I did here was I took off the electrical tape, and the electrical tape pretty much held this thing in. Yeah, so looks like I'll be disconnecting the wire here, the kill switch, and the primer bulb, so we can take a look at our engine. But if this wasn't broken, you got two screws here. Take those screws off and that plate will come out. But since it already broke, I guess this makes it a little easier for everybody. So the first thing that I would like to do is, with 2 cycles, the oil and the gas are mixed, so sometimes they don't work anymore because they lose compression. So I'm just going to take the spark plug off and we'll check for compression. So the size will be a 13/16 socket. Alright, so I got my compression meter here, and I'm going to screw it in there, and we'll see what reading we get. It's easier to just disconnect the little hose and then just tie it on here, and then just put it on. That's the easiest way of going about this, because then you can just twist it in with your hand. You don't have to worry about the nozzle being anywhere. So I got a compression reading of about 40, which is actually really good for a 2-cycle. So I'm very confident in the compression. So let's take it out and we'll see if we have spark at all. So we do have spark, which is a good thing. So I'm going to take off the spark tester, put that back on, and so we have good compression, good spark. So now we just have to check out the carburetor, which I had covered with the bags that the snow wouldn't get it. So take a look at this next. So right off the bat here, I can smell really bad gas. So it's probably a bad gas issue, and ethanol probably clogged it up. So what we have to do now is take the primer bulb connector off, take the gas line off, and then we'll take the whole carburetor off, and then we'll take a look at it. Okay, so now we're at the carburetor part. We got the lines all disconnected, and now I got to get these out. These are Allen heads on these 2-cycle ones too. Just want to get yourself a pack of Allen heads. If you don't have any, cheap at Harbor Freight. Put it in there, break it, twist it off, and then it's off. Alright, so once you get the carburetor off, you'll see that it is very dirty. So you might need new gaskets if you rip it off. I was lucky enough to take it off without a gasket breaking. So the next thing you have to do is you'll have to remove this bolt down here, remove all the parts, clean it with starting fluid, WD-40, or carb cleaner. Those both work okay. Those all work okay, actually. Put it back together, make sure all the gaskets are still good, and put it back on. I'll put a link to how to clean it properly in the description, because I already posted a video on this, but the same concept goes for this carburetor. So just clean it out, and then we'll go back into putting it back on. Carburetor cleaned off, so now I'm just going to put it back on and fill it up, and we'll see if this thing will run. So as you can see, it runs great. I just gotta wait for some light snow to come by because the wheels are not self-propelled, so it's pretty hard to propel this thing through. But I think it spun out in the front. So that's the Toro 2500 free snowblower, fix, repair, and running. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching.